इंडियन या रूटेड साउंड लगता है। जैसे कि इस गाने में ही शुरू में थोड़ा सूदनेस, थोड़ा कामनेस, और बाद में जो बीट आता है तो भाई
तो प्यार भी है और थोड़ा सा अहंकार भी है, बढ़ना yeah, so something like that. Swamyadeep Kilakaria, Aman Kaushik, thank you so much for joining us today. Rashmika, what were your feelings when you heard this track? Because I know this is going to go down the generations as one of the best love songs. And I don't want to like overplay this, but मैं जानती हूँ सचिन सिंह को. I know what Pardesia did, and I know what this is going to do. How about you? What was your first reaction?
Definitely going to do what you don't want it to do, which is just going to eat you alive.
Yeah.
It's just on the loop and loop and loop because it's happening to me right now.
Right.
But as in, this is the first song I heard from the film because Dennis sir had just played me the song and I was like, okay, because I was like, okay, what is the emotion of the film, right? And this is the reference he had given, and today to see it come out in such a magical and enchanting way is something so special. And of course, Sachin sir and Jigar sir, I don't know how you guys do it. 16 years of non-stop blockbuster stuff.
We also don't know.
Really, I'm very proud, and I'm very grateful that I get to be in their direction.
Yeah. Listen, I'm going to get into the next song as well, right? लेकिन अमर सर यहाँ पे मैं कुछ भी पूछना चाहती हूँ. I know it's crazy. I know. There's a lot of emotion. 21st of October is going to make all of us a little cuckoo in the head. क्योंकि already हम थोड़े से cuckoo हो चुके हैं. आप बताइए, इसमें हंस भी रहे हैं, डर भी रहे हैं, प्यार भी हो रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है. Where can you find the fine balance while you're creating something like this? How did it not drive you cuckoo in the head?
एक्चुअली ये सबको ही ड्राइव करता है, मतलब ऐसा फिल्म मुझे नहीं, सबको ही होता है.
मामा सबको मामा बना रहे हैं, वैसे सही बात है.
देखिएगा क्या बनाता है वो. यस, ये गाना के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ. ये गाना जब से इन्होंने हमको सुनाया है, पिछले 1 साल से हमारे कान में बजता था. इवन शूट पे भी हम ये बजाते थे जब भी हम कुछ इमोशन लेके आना होता था, और हम पूरा एकदम डायरेक्टर ने जब ये गाना प्लेस किया है फिल्म में, कमाल आया है. आप देखिएगा फिल्म में किस तरीके से ये फिल्म को और एनहांस करता है.
We cannot wait for the Dhamaka on the 21st of October. Can we please clap for Aman Kaushik? Can we please ask Rashmika, Ayushmann, Sachin Jigar to ठहर जाओ on stage? Amar sir, thank you. अभी जाने का टाइम हो गया है. This is your cue to leave, but it's our cue to move on to the next Dhamaka of a song. Can we please? Now this one is definitely. I know I've been talking about every song like this is my favorite. This is also my favorite. This one definitely is all our favorites. It's called Tum Mere. Rashmika's killing it. She's thrilling it. She is just sizzling it. Guys, can we please make our hands put together for the singer Shraddha Mishra. Call her up on stage so that she can sing this track. And can we please have Rashmika and Ayushmann do what they do best? And it's to you, thank you. Guys, Shraddha Mishra in the house. Tum Mere, which is killed it on the YouTube, is breaking the internet. Over to you. Please. I'm quickly going to be a very rude child. And I'm going to ask all the three of you, just the three of you to go down for a take. आप यहाँ से भी जा सकती हैं. अच्छा. And can I please? This song is obviously dedicated to Ayushmann from me. तुम मेरे ना हुए ना सही. I know there's another center. 1 second. उससे पहले हम लोग डांस करेंगे ना. quick. Come around every song. It's just nice to have you around, Ayushmann. Guys, can we please clap for Rashmika and Ayushmann? Can we please call upon
Rashmika,
Sachin
Rashmika.
Jigar on stage? Can I also have Shraddha on stage as well? यहाँ से आ जाओ.
लंड लोग
यहाँ से
लंड ही
आप
रहेगा.
पैरों को तकलीफ मत दो.
छुट्टी है.
Thank you.
सुन ही नहीं रहे, जानबूझ के नहीं सुन रहे भाई, मेरे को मालूम है. मैं क्या आ जाए
Amar
इंडस्ट्री
sir,
में,
please come on stage as well. Thank
आवाज
you.
दे रहे तो सुन भी नहीं रहे, लौड़े के जैसा.
सबके लिए एक माइक दे दीजिए प्लीज. देखो.
नहीं, जिसको सुनाना है वो सुन रहा है ना, वो जोर से क्या बोल रहा है.
All right. Rashmika, when I saw this chemistry is as fresh as the kind of makhan my dadi used to make, fresh on the paratha. This chemistry is sizzling on the paratha. Yummy paratha.
So we're going.
ये बार
We'll
बंद
come
करना
back. We'll come back to the mere. What's the secret sauce? We've never seen you do something like this.
Yes. The reason why, as in it just came out of thin air, like sirs have been saying that music comes out of thin air, but this truly for me as an artist came out of thin air because one day Amar sir, Aditya sir, Dinesh sir were just sitting on the set and they were like, you know what, we have an idea and why don't we just shoot a song? It just came like that and I was like, let's go, and I didn't know what I was walking into.
Yeah.
And I had just come out of a fracture, which was like 3 months in. And they told me that this is the song that they want to shoot for. And I was like, huh, but how are you going to dance for this song?
Yes.
Because this is like a very heartbreak sort of a song, but also it was so interesting of how for a music like this, they have created a dance like this. So I remember it just came out of that, and today to see it happen like this, and I always wanted to surprise my audience in a way that they didn't know what to look forward to, and I think Maddock is the best arena to do that.
Trust me. I mean, it's crazy. Rashmika on that track in Tum Mere with all those moves, that's driving the country and the globe crazy. Can we please clap for Rashmika, guys? Thank you very much. Ayushmann, we've seen you sing, we've seen you act. You're wonderful at everything that you do. Yeah, I know you're modest about it, but for once you can say, I'm crazy. I'm amazing.
I'm crazy. I'm not sure I'm amazing or not. I'm crazy for sure.
But you're amazing for sure. How does it feel when a stunning song like this is filmed for you?
Well, of course, this is completely Rashmika's song.
Yes.
I'm there admiring her beauty in the
Yes.
song. That's my character in the song. And
Yes.
she's, of course, singing for me. But yeah, it's her song. There's one section in between I'm dancing, but overall, she's done the dancing and everything. They had me 2 days to rehearse. Last day on the set, और वो set बहुत खूबसूरत था. वो तोड़ने से पहले उस वहाँ को utilize करना चाहते थे. And we did that song. That was so impromptu with Rashmika said. तो ये इसके पीछे की कहानी है. But this is one of my favorite tracks in the film. और it has a good mix of everything, I think.
Yes, that's true. And all songs bring this lovely flavor constantly. Sachin Jigar, we've spoken about this, we've established you're redefining the music of the universe. One track at a time, one step at a time. How do you keep surprising us every time? Sachin, like, what?
No, it's we have to surprise ourselves first.
Yes.
And let me tell you, ये म्यूजिक एक्चुअली सरप्राइज नहीं है, ये फिल्म बहुत बड़ी सरप्राइज है क्योंकि जब हमें बताया था अमर और डिनो सर ने कि वी आर मेकिंग अ लव स्टोरी इन द हॉरर यूनिवर्स एंड वी नीड अ लव सॉन्ग एंड व्हेन वी मेड रहे ना रहे हमको ऐसा लगा यार ऐसा तो क्या ही प्यार कर लेंगे, है ना. लेकिन जब अब हमने फिल्म देखी तो हमने सोचा ओ ऐसा भी प्यार कर सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स द यूनिवर्स दैट सरप्राइजेस अस एंड गिव्स अस द स्कोप टू प्ले.
Right. Sachin, if you had to give Jigar rating out of 10.
For his looks,
For his
20
looks,
out of 10.
there are 3 categories. For his looks, for him as a partner, as a co-composer, and for his vision.
See,
See, you know, his or our vision is coming from Dinesh Vision.
Yes! I was waiting for that. No, but no, for real.
But you know, for real, I mean, can't be more luckier.
Yeah.
उसका नाम ही जिगर है. You know, he's the rebel in the combination. He's the go-getter, and he's also the one who doesn't sleep at nights, saying कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते दोबारा. So he's the one that sets a very high standard for us to break. And just like he said, sometimes I feel कि अगर गाना चलता है तो I am not surprised क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. So really there is such a huge cancellation amongst all of us. अगर मुझे जिगर को तीनों सर को और अमिताभ भाई को पसंद आ जाए तो फिर अमर सर ऐसे करते हैं. तो ये आप कॉम्बिनेशन ही अमर है.
कमाल है. उससे पहले जरा एक काम करते हैं. Let's just make some noise again. Okay, now there's this man who has actually gotten all of this together, made sure कि आज जब अंत का काम बाकी है फिर भी आदित्य सरपोतदार यहाँ पे आएगा. So please make some noise for the director of Thama, Aditya Sarpotdar. That's what I said. I'm sure Aditya's got 28,000 things to do, but he's still here. Aditya, आपसे तो सवाल पूछेंगे, of course. We need to know everything about Thama. एक करके. श्रद्धा से पहले सवाल पूछते हैं. श्रद्धा, this song is killing it. It's killing it. It is breaking the chart on Spotify. How does it feel to A, sing in front of this audience, and B, to be a part of a song like that?
First of all, I'm just a presenter here, and this song is actually sung by Madhubanti ma'am, and I am very happy कि सर ने मुझे यहाँ पे चूज़ किया कि मैं आप लोगों के सामने ये गाना प्रेजेंट कर सकूँ, because I'm a huge fan of Sachin sir and Jigar sir, and I'm also a student of them, और मैं बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ मधुबंती मैम की भी, और आप लोगों के सामने of course मुझे गाने का ये सौभाग्य मिला, so उसके लिए thank you so much. Thank you.
That's incredible, guys. Can we please clap for Shraddha Mishra? Aditya, आपका ये सवाल मैं आपको पूछने वाली हूँ. आपका ये सवाल मैं ही पूछूँ. Aditya, the question for you is, this is gaining more and more energy every day. It's, as I said, killing it on the internet every day. There's a lot of anticipation for the 21st of October. हमने ना आयुष्मान को, ना रश्मिका को, ना परेश रावल को, ना नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी को, ना फैजल मलिक को, ना मलाइका को, ना नौरा को, ना सचिन जिगर को इस अवतार में देखा है. एंटिसिपेशन आपके लिए कैसा है? क्या आप हर रोज सुबह को अपना ब्लड प्रेशर चेक कर रहे हैं सर?
ब्लड प्रेशर तो नहीं चेक करा. एक्चुअली आई वाज ऑन माय वे फ्रॉम सेंसस स्क्रीनिंग टू मिक्सिंग एंड DI, और वो ऐसे टाइम पे ना अभी की फिल्म कंप्लीट करने के लिए और डिलीवर करने के लिए 2 दिन. तो अमर और मैं दोनों ऐसे घूम रहे हैं. जिगर वी बीन मीटिंग हिम ऑन एंड ऑफ ऑन द मिक्सिंग सेशंस, बट anticipation is there for all of us also. Yeah? We are really looking forward to showing everyone the film. I want to show them the film. I want to show you all the film. So, and we want to put our best film ahead. We want to put the best version of the film ahead. So, अभी जैसे we are counting days. अभी 21st को रिलीज हो रही है फिल्म, तो हमारे लिए उसको 4 दिन पहले देनी होती है फिल्म, डिलीवर करनी होती है फिल्म. तो हाँ, टाइम है, थोड़ा टाइम है, इतना टाइम नहीं है. But it's very exciting to see how people are loving the song that we are putting out there. And so much hard work done by everybody is being appreciated. तो अभी एंटिसिपेशन 21st की मुझे ज़्यादा है. ब्लड प्रेशर मैं चेक मेरा नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई थिंक इनको प्रोड्यूसर्स आपको ज़्यादा डेंजन भी हो सकता है.
ब्लड प्रेशर चेक करो ना करो, ब्लड चूसने के लिए एक ही आदमी आने वाला है. ब्लड सकर राइट नेक्स्ट टू यू. So it doesn't sound right, but it is 21st of October. Thama comes to the theaters. Thank you so much. We're going to have a quick photo op with all of you. I'm going to take your mics and quickly call you again for another.
अरे बस हो गया भाई, बस हो गया इवेंट. क्यों काम खराब करे हो यार हमारा? भाई ले हो
Is Jasmine gonna sing right now?
No.
The Punjabi queen?
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? To for? What you gon' be? And do you believe you can do anything? And what you gon' do for it? How you gon' move for it? What you gon' be?
कैमरे में हम लोग का भी काम
Please clap a loaded hand, Jasmine. Thank you very much. Can we also, yes. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, please clap for मतलब जाने का चाहिए. Please clap for जाने का चाहिए. अभी किसी के आने का चाहिए. So hard to call upon the very lovely, the very amazing Rashmika ji.
हाँ जी
Kashish. We can continue. Kashish is still on his way, so what we're going to do is we're going to ask Aishman and Rashmika both to come on stage very, very quickly. शालिनी दे सकते हैं, आपको भी नीचे ले जा फोन नीचे फोन करो last time I promise come last time come from here yeah क्या मजाक चला आओ तो सही
बार बार ऊपर बुलाना नीचे भेज रहा ऊपर बुलाना नीचे भेज रहा नौकर है क्या तेरे चुतिया
Aditya, you on stage as well, thank you.
बड़ी जल्दी पता कटेगा इसका
आप डायरेक्टर हो ऐसे थोड़ी
अरे बाप रे बाप
Guys, obviously, this is we're marking almost the end of tonight. I quickly want to say thank you for all of you to come here. आखिरी कुछ सवाल जो है हमारे लिए हमारे पास रश्मिका, आयुष्मान और आदित्य सर के लिए. आदित्य, आपके ऊपर ये सवाल है अभी इन दोनों में से सबसे ज्यादा नॉटी कौन है?
मैं
और सबसे ज्यादा सिंसियर कौन है?
एक्चुअली दोनों बहुत सिंसियर है और नॉटी तो बिल्कुल नहीं है वेरी वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग है एक्चुअली हाँ ये करेक्ट बोली नॉटीनेस के लिए टाइम ही नहीं था हमारे पास वी वर शूटिंग बैक टू बैक रोज क्या नॉटीनेस करेगा बट एक्चुअली हमारे प्रोड्यूसर नॉटी निकल गया आपने उनका गाने में देखी झलक तो जो नॉटीनेस किया उन्होंने गाने में तो अमन जी ने किया है इज बीन लॉट ऑफ फन टू वर्क विद बट दोनों बहुत सिंसियर एक्टर्स हैं आई थिंक ये पूरे लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट है सो नॉटी तो है नहीं दोनों बट नॉटीनेस करनी पड़ेगी
Is there anyone with the cast who was very naughty or just would make you laugh so much and you concentrate? Paresh Rawal.
Paresh ji, why he was naughty? You know, उनका naughtiness ऐसा नहीं है because उनके reference of characters इतने हैं हम उनको रोज सेट पे पूछते थे कि यार आपका वो उस फिल्म का डायलॉग आपने कैसे किया था और हेरा फेरी और अंदाज अपना हमारे इतने गप्पे होते थे you are fanboys around it and he used to do it for us and he used to enact he used to tell us some amazing stories about his films so Paresh ji was the notice
Nice. Guys, Ayushman Khurrana, so many questions have already been asked about Thama, about your anticipation, about the excitement, about कैसा लग रहा है Man of Horror Comedy Universe का हिस्सा बनके. Is there any question you want to ask me, the audience? Any question? What would that question be? डाल दिया ना spot पे. Spotted 5. Ayushman, like, Sharsha. I'm going to start like Tamshiraz right now.
अरे बस हो गया यार
Okay.
10 बज गए
अच्छा, Ayushman, आप पहले जवाब देंगे, उसके बाद में I have one more thing to do. But like,
अरे
yeah.
बाप रे बाप कितना
Spot. Ask me the question. Now ask. Yeah.
अरे बाप
We've asked you so many questions. What question would you like the
रीना
audience?
तुम क्यों डांस नहीं करती जितने तीन गाने हमारे डांस वाले हैं यू नॉट डांस इन फ्रंट ऑफ
I don't love dancing. You don't follow me on Instagram. You don't
with your dance.
मेरा वर्जन है.
बहुत अच्छा क्यूट वर्जन है फ्रेंड, आप फॉलो करना बनता है.
थैंक यू. देखिए हम फटाफट से काम करते हैं, इनको और स्पॉट में नहीं डालते हैं, इनको आराम करने देते हैं, ये पिक्चर को निकल जाने. Live on the 21st of October, Rashmika, Ayushman, Aditya, the entire team of Maddox, Universal Music, Spotify Advertising. I am so happy and glad. मैं जब कुछ करने वाली होती हूँ ये आती है मेरे पास में और मेरा स्क्रिप्ट बदल देती है. हम थैंक यू बोलेंगे लेकिन उससे पहले हम कशिश कपूर को बुलाएंगे. And for that I would like Ayushman and Aditya to take their seats. Come back in a second. Rashmika to stay on stage. Don't worry. Let them be. Oh, बहुत बढ़िया. Aditya, Rashmika and Ayushman. Rashmika डरी हुई है guys. कोई छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा उसे. Aditya and Ayushman are right here. Kashish Kapoor, please come on stage.
पेट करवाती है ना वो.
ये कशिश
पेट करवाती है ना वो.
Tanya, you're welcome. कशिश कपूर के साथ में तुम मेरी ना से.
ए मोबाइल.
Can we please play the video?
थोड़ा तो नीचे ले भाई, नहीं तो हम जा रहे घर.
Aditya, Ayushman and Rashmika, this is the final few things that we're going to do on stage. Zara, आगे आ जाइए. We're calling a few creators to take a selfie. Ayushman. अरे once more. मैं नहीं, मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं. But you can't do it. There's a photo that needs to be done. Photo.
Once more.
Photo.
Once more.
All three.
Once more.
Guys, ये मेरे
Once
पापा की
more.
शादी में ये once more. एक second. Actually मेरे 5 मामा है, just for like fun fact.
Once more मनोज के साथ.
Can I please call upon Shashank on stage?
Once more.
Namrata and Shashank will take a quick selfie. आगो अगर यहाँ शक्ल देख
ये
के
कौन?
लगता है अपना पता है। आप सुशांत हैं? बताओ मुझे कैसे पता चला?
अरे बाप रे बाप
पता चल गया बस। सेल्फी लेनी है। Guys, we have to. Aditya was leaving me, yaar. It's a selfie with the team. These are fans. आगो नहीं है, मैं ले लूं सेल्फी। मैं भी सेल्फी ले लूं। ओके। Guys, आप अभी ये तुरंत ही फोटो ले लो, वरना क्या है? ओके, स्माइल। रश्मिका दिखाई दे रही है? Nice. Thank you very much. Can I have this spotted by advertising team to take a quick selfie with Ayushmann and
अरे
Rashmika?
बाप रे बाप
आखिरी photo. Can I have this spotted by advertising team to take a selfie?
हाँ छोड़ लिए
Quick photo. आखिरी photo, please guys.
अरे बाप रे
One photo dance नहीं कर रहे हैं।
पूरा निचोड़ लिए
मन जताएंगे भी तभी मैं इनका मन बंद कर दूंगी।
once more
अरे इतना तो डायरेक्टर भी रीटेक नहीं बोलता
पागल है क्या
Spotify advertising on stage quickly. Thank you very much. Please come. Guys, can we please clap? If this time is
once more.
because
once
quick
more
picture along. Thank you.
आज ये भी सोचे कि भाई मैं इवेंट पे आऊंगी अरे बाप रे बाप बहुत बड़ा मचाओ ग्रुप
ये स्टेज गिरा
Universal Music, Madhav.
Thank you.
Team Jai Media, thank you so much.
Thank you.
वो चतुआ है इधर जा रहे
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And we can do that guy. Ayushmann and Rashmika. It is starting. It is starting.
अरे वही गाना तो चमकाना है
Eight seconds.
समझ नहीं रहे थे
Ayushmann and Rashmika.
Thank you.
I'm gonna leave. वो जाए उससे पहले.
Thank you.
नो नो
No, no, no.
नो नो